Hello! Disclaimer. This is probably not the only way you can legitimately get free Multisim trial, but this is how I got it by following the instructions from the National Instruments website. I have all the steps right here. Feel free to pause the video or keep watching as I will walk you through them. I've searched for any deals or downloads for CCNY students, but I wasn't successful. If anybody knows about that, feel free to share it with us. To get to the download page specifically for Multisim, search Multisim for Education and click on the link that leads to National Instruments website and not third-party website. Then click on Student Download. Start free trial option is a little different, and I'll tell you more about that in the end of the video. After you download the zipped 14.1 Multisim installer, extract it to wherever you want and run the executable. When asked product activation code, instead click on the Install Product for Evaluation bullet and proceed. This is how the National Instruments themselves instruct you to set up free student version on their website. Choose a directory for the Multisim, and after it's installed, go there and find the software. Initially, it will say that you have a 7-day evaluation period, which is the free trial. But if you click the launch button, the window will appear, and that window will allow you to extend the evaluation period from 7 days to 45 days by setting up your National Instrument account, which I already have. That's why I only have 39 days left instead of 45. Now about the start free trial. If you go that route, you'll end up downloading a package manager which takes longer to install and also contains LabVIEW, which we don't need. But you can go and get it too if you're interested. I hope it helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll post another video tomorrow about how to use Multisim, useful keybinds, and some tips about our bridge rectifier project.